At Innovan, your challenges are our challenges. Over the past year, we've partnered with organizations in manufacturing, healthcare, education, and banking. Here are the stories of business transformation. The custom CRM solution helped us overachieve our sales target by 110%. What stood out even more was how easy it was to use, and a team that truly believed in our vision. Thank you for believing in it as much as we do. Managing schedules and workflows used to slow us down. Innovan changed that. We cut administrative work by 45% and saw patient satisfaction rise by 38% in just 4 months. And finally got to focus on patient care. Thank you for giving us our time back. Educational systems were scattered and inefficient. Until now. Innovan changed that. Student engagement increased by 52%. Academic performance rose by 28%. Feedback loops cut by 65%. One platform students use, faculty trust, and admins finally understand, putting learning first. Legacy systems were holding us back. Manual work, delays, frustrated customers. Innovan changed that. 3 times more transactions, 0 incidents, 72% faster payments, fully compliant from day one. Built with real banking DNA, faster, safer, smarter. These aren't just success stories, they're partnerships built on trust and real impact. For our clients across manufacturing, healthcare, education, and banking, you've challenged us to innovate and inspired us to push boundaries. Innovan, technology that transforms. Ready to transform your business? Let's talk.